has been always my favorite thing. Hello girls, time for my rather particular skincare night routine, my most requested video. And as I told you, skincare has been my favorite part of the daily routine. So I believe it's never too late to start a good skincare. And so why it is called a skincare routine? What's the meaning of routine first of all? Because you really need to do on a regular basis. Routine means a regular basis. So all these things are like my regular thing. So without wasting time, let's get started. So every night I splash water. I hope I'm doing it right. So I splash water on my skin with a cold water and make sure that it's a cold water even in the winters also. And I wash my face with this beautiful Milk Plus face wash which I got from Bangkok. So this is my first step. After this, I make sure that I splash a face toner or a rose water. That's my second step. And for that I use a rose water by Just Herbs. So this is my step 3. And I truly love this. The quantity, the price is I guess $4.90, and this is by Face Shop. The quantity is amazing. So I just prefer tapping it because and I let it absorb into my skin. So that's my fourth step. So for those who have an oily skin, they can blindly go for this. Also, if you don't want to apply this, I'll give you an alternative. You can apply a L'Oreal Hydra Fresh gel. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is also I prefer applying the L'Oreal White Perfect Fairness Revealing Smoothing Night Cream in a 50 ml bottle. So this is how the packaging looks like. Also what I do is, sometimes if I don't want to apply or I am not in a mood to apply a cream, I prefer this beautiful mask by Lemon. And when I apply this, I really like it. Yes. If you don't have this, you can try the Innisfree one. That's also really good and it does the same work, but applying a sheet mask is very important for your skin. Then my fifth step is an under eye cream. Sorry, my eyebrows don't look like this, but I'm very bad at drawing, so whatever. An under eye baggage black dark spot. So that's the fifth number. And this is by Body Shop, and Body Shop is very popular for its skin products. And this is my second tube and I really like this. Also guys, if you are wondering that, you know, under eye cream, does it really works? That's a wondering thing. So yes, it does work, but the only key thing is that you need to apply on a routine basis. I hope I'm very clear to you guys. So if you really want to, you know, protect your skin, take care of your skin, that's really important to do whatever things you're doing in a routine way. Then the last step is I apply a castor oil. And I apply this castor oil on my eyelashes. I don't know how to make it, but please assume it. These are all my eyelashes on my eyebrows. This is what I can actually draw, so please don't mind that. But yes, I apply on my eyelashes on my eyebrow, so that because castor oil is very effective. It makes your I don't know how many of you knows Farah Dikhai, and I really admire her a lot. So castor oil बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके to, you know, grow your eyebrows, to grow your eyelashes. So that's all from my end, guys. And I really hope that you really like this. That's a new concept I thought to, you know, bring it in front of you guys. So अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो, so please subscribe. Please.